Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And it's been a hectic 4 days, and unfortunately that's why I haven't got any videos up. I got videos made in the past 4 days, but I haven't got any videos up. Just an update. I'm my wife's birthday is on Sunday, so I decided to do a video combination video slideshow for her. So I've been kind of working on that. And then the Explorer had an issue with the rear wheel being loose, and then it took me 100 miles and probably about $20 worth of wheel studs to get the right one. Then while I was in there, I decided to go ahead and change the wheel pad, the brake pads. And once I did that, I took it out for its first spin, and that driver's side was cooking. I mean, it got hot, and I only drove probably 1.5 miles. Well, right then and there, that was a trigger to tell me that I had a bad caliper. And what happens is, when the caliper is tight, won't release, it heats up the rotor, which in turn heats up the wheel hub, in turn heats up your wheel studs. So as the studs heat up, they expand, and then when they cool down, they shrink. So as they expand and contract on a regular basis, it's going to cause the wheel studs to loosen up. And if you ever have a stuck nut, all you got to do is heat it up, cool it down rapidly, and it'll release. So there you go. That was solved that problem. So I changed the caliper on it. It's got new brake pads, and it's got new rotors, both sides. So I got videos of those coming up. And then as far as if you drop into my financial, the stocks, I'm a negative $600, but I'm not worried about it because of the fact that I've got more stocks. So of course, the more stocks you get, the more you lose, and then the more it goes down. But unfortunately, that the Kodak stock that I thought was going to shoot and rocket on the first when they launched their coin, well, didn't happen. So and it's coming back down. It's sitting about $7 a share right now. So that's okay. And then my other share that I sold, that's been going up and down. Well, she's come back down again, and I'm going to buy up on it again next week. And then what else is going on? Oh yeah, the big thing with YouTube. If you're just now viewing this, it has new. They've just made new requirements if you want to make money, and you've got to have 4,000 view minutes per year. But the big thing is you've got to have 1,000 subscribers. So I'm getting my videos up. My other tactic is I'm boosting on Facebook, and because right now I'm about 140 subscribers short of making the 1,000 quota. So if you're watching this, if you're new to it, please subscribe. And that's some of the things in my playlist that you just heard about. I've also got I got a new drone, which is the Mavic Pro. I'll be getting that, getting some videos up soon on that. I just got one up not too long ago on the old Phantom 3 Pro, and unfortunately, as you can see, it don't have a camera. I got an adapter where I use the 360 under it until I can replace the camera on that. But that's that. I've got some future stuff coming up. I'm going to go do some phenomenon, and of course my travels. Anything that I buy, I do a evaluation on it. So right now I'm going to finish this combination video slide presentation for the wife, and it's under the Corel Video Studio X10 system. So if you're looking for something to do editing with, that'd be the way to go. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be getting stuff back up this week. Oh yeah, taxes. Got to work on those too. And then should be back to normal as far as whatever normal is. So thanks again. Don't forget click on the DC below, and you'll subscribe. I appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.